a quick video on a delivery for the palm oil tree R&D with the vetiver grass. We have got our SOS or liquid organic fertilizer. We're going to make a major impact on soil recovery. DSS, dead soil syndrome. These trees are all stressed due to water, due to the soil, due to the weather, the extreme weathers, and we are planting the vetiver grass at all different size. These are large clusters. Here is, and we've even experimenting. Here's one that we did last week. Okay, we even growing this one with a blue tag. Here is just the bamboo shoot. So it'll take a few months to become larger, but that's a very deep, that went about 6 knuckles deep, about 1 foot bar. Here's another one there. So we're planting them all different techniques throughout this plantation. So here's these major, look at these major clusters. So it's a fast track. With the vetiver, it's gonna bring the oxygen, the nitrogen fixing from the atmosphere into the soil. The pH adjustment is the key factor that's going to make it actually a real noticeable feeder, a real noticeable practical experience in the production, the recovery of the soil, especially now. And we've got a very large, even this one here, for example, we're even planting big clusters. Big clusters. I just throw this one down here. Look at that. What a beautiful sight. And here is the bamboo piece. Now these have got the knuckles, see the established root systems. Okay, if we plant that deep, that's 12 inches, over a foot. Imagine the speed, the increase, because the depth of the bamboo cutting with the bulbs, with the little roots and the air roots and the bulbs from this, it's a fast track. So here's one without. This is a standard bamboo piece that we sell. It's got the standard with 3 knuckles. It's got about 6 or 8 knuckles. So you can see the difference between that planting, then you've got the one that's more mature, that we've allowed it to mature in a pot for the purpose of landslides and all. We call it the nail of the earth, the nail. This is the peg of the earth, it will anchor. And then there's the mature, beautiful bulbs and the air roots from the top. Then you got this large cluster. This has got all the bamboo pieces. A very beautiful photo. But here we are at a plantation in SABAH, and we're going to continue our extensive research, which is going to save chemical fertilizer. It's going to improve. When you've got a tree that's stressed out, you cannot put extra chemicals to help it. It's a multiple purposes and reasons that there's a problem. There's a problem with the soil. It's extreme weather. It's the acidity, it's the acid buildup, it's a chemical buildup. Okay, all of these affect certain patches, certain percentage of plantations. Like this plantation now has got, I think, about 25 to 30% of slow producing trees, and it's a progressive worsening percentage because all the factors of heavy, bad weather, extreme weather, from floods to heavy droughts, and the consistent build-up of years and years of chemical fertilizer killing all microbes. So this solution has already been proven by our research, and what we're doing, we're revamping now because of YouTube. We're taking more evidence. Look at these here. These are the bamboo pieces, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're surrounding this about 1 meter from the base of the tree. Look how they're growing extremely well without watering yet, because the rain's been efficient. Okay, and as they grow, like that big cluster over there, that I showed you earlier, the impact of the actual air roots, the shoots, and then the evidence is in the production of fruit, the FFB, full fruit bunch. So once again today, is our part 2 planting. And I look forward to your subscribe. Every palm oil plantation owner, mill owner needs to subscribe. We got the same Mother Earth. You know, this industry is going through a lot of changes, and our soil is absolutely crying out for help. SOS, crying out SOS, save our soils. The fertilizer we're using is SOS organic liquid fertilizer. That's why we call it SOS. And everyone knows the power of the Vetiver grass technology. This is Vetiver technology systems. We've got our own unique experience, and we are going to demonstrate the power and the combination and the synergy and the synergy of working together. And there's about 30 pots here with all different maturities for different reasons, because this is research, from planting the very large clusters to the very the mature ones in pots, and these beautiful clusters which were deliberately cut, and the strategic timing for the purpose of the waterlogged soils. There's areas here, there's waterlogged. One of these big mature ones can suck up and dissolve about 45 litres a day. So for waterlogging, this is the solution. For drought, this is a solution. For reducing chemical fertilizer, this is a solution. For natural micro fixing atmosphere bacteria in a natural way because of nature, humus, there's no other plant. Plus, you can cut it, there's no seeds, it doesn't expand, it doesn't grow. These can be harvested and maintained. Very low cost. And for the benefits that was just mentioned, right, the benefits were mentioned, this is the lowest cost solution. But we got the scale up, we've got the scale, the size of our operation. I love this one. This is a beautiful, represents the one bamboo. Look how beautiful. That is the one bamboo, and there is a stressed out tree. Okay? And it is underproducing by a lot. And that is going to, we believe, create a 10 up to 30% increase of yield in a reasonable short period of time. Let the data, let the facts, let the story be unfolded from this point on, and we really welcome those subscribes and likes. Thank you once again from Vetiver, Grass King SABAH in SABAH. Research and development for palm oil, sustainable, true, sustainable for the industry and the future of the industry.